Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I have another nice cable for you. For this specific cable we need to have 6 stitches, but it's optional for you if you want to have 2 or 3 or more stitches as a separation. This is the back side and this is the front side. Let's get started. As I told you, I use 6 stitches as a cable. What I have to do for the beginning, we are going to just take the first one, pull 2 stitches, then knit 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Again 3 stitches as a edge. Row 2, what we have to do, just we do whatever we have. The knit stitches knit, the pull stitches pull. We are going to keep continue 4 more rows because between each pattern we are going to have to knit 6 rows. So it means that in this row again, just I do whatever they are. The knit stitches knit, the pull stitches pull. And in the row 4 also the same. Just keep continue. I'm going to do 2 more rows and I'll be back. As I told you, I already made 6 rows. Now it's time to start to do the pattern. First of all, we pull these 2 stitches. When it comes to these 6, we just do normal cable. It means that I take the first one and the third one in the middle and change it with these 2. Just normal knit. I do another cable with these 3, change these 2 with the first one, like this. Then just knit. The next row, the only different like a normal cable is, again we have to do the cable also here. It means that we are going to take these 2 and change then pull these 3 stitches. Now we do the cable again. The edge. And here the next row, what we have to do, we're doing a cable again. It means that takes the third one, change with these 2. Just normal knits. This is really optional. You decide to have 2 or 3 rows or 4 rows like a cable. From now on, just we are going to repeat to make 6 rows between just normal pull 6 stitches. It's the separation, and for the next row just again knit all stitches. Like this. As I told you, between each cable you have to have 6 rows knitting. After 6 rows, you are going to repeat again the cable like this. If you repeat that one, the cable should look like that. This is front side, back side, and that's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and have a great day.